Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. A human tooth have 36 calories. Rolls-Royce spent 3 years building this one-of-one cherry blossom phantom. Blood bounces when it hits ice. Mobile data usage in Sweden drops 28% on Christmas Eve. Since 1959, half the country stops everything to watch a Donald Duck special, a sacred national tradition. Spiders lack leg muscles for extension and instead use hydraulic pressure from their blood to extend their legs. When they die and pressure is lost, their legs curl inward because they can no longer extend them. Harvard has a library that protects the world's rarest colors, including pigments from extinct insects, mummies, and rare metals. In 2006, Nokia unveiled a concept phone named Sensory, designed to sense and release fragrances, enhancing mobile communication with scent capabilities. Fungi on your skin could produce a potent antibiotic to fight infections. The women demonstrate what could be purchased for $1.34 in 1918 and 1945. A police officer playing Duck Duck Goose with children in New York 1970. Hippos actually don't swim, they walk or run underwater along the riverbed. There were 26 families on the Mayflower that are known to have left descendants. From this, it is estimated that over 30 million people can trace their ancestry back to these original 26 families. The male African jacanas, with their signature move at protecting the little ones, is tucking them right under their wings with the feet sticking out. This fish has four pupils, allowing it to see above and below water at the same time. China has deployed a bionic robotic fish that swims like a real fish to support river protection, equipped with advanced sensors to monitor water quality, detect pollutants, and collect ecological data. Birds have fewer friends as they age, just like people, study says. Canada just created a battery made from tree pulp that can fully disappear in soil within 60 days, leaving zero waste behind. Only 12 people have walked on the moon, all during NASA's Apollo missions between 1969 and 1972. The right hug can heal what a thousand words can't. Xennials born between 1977 and 1983 are a microgeneration. They experienced an analog childhood using landlines, cassette tapes, and VHS, and transitioned into a digital adulthood, adapting to the rise of the internet, smartphones, and social media. Hedy Lamarr, a 1940s Hollywood actress, co-invented a radio guidance system for Allied torpedoes that used frequency hopping spread spectrum technology, the foundation for modern Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Bahrain's 400-year-old Tree of Life survives alone in the desert with no visible water source. Innovator created earbuds that translate 40 plus languages in real time without internet. If you run into a wall, don't turn around and give up. Figure out how to climb it, go through it, or work around it. A single femur can support 30 into your body weight, about 5000 lbs. It's stronger than reinforced concrete but lightweight. Ancient engineers studied bones to design better bridges. In life, often you have to rely on intuition. A village in India, one man taught everyone chess 50 years ago to fight alcohol and gambling. Now, chess is a way of life, and both vices have almost disappeared. The 2-minute rule: if you see something that needs doing and it can be completed within 2 minutes, do it immediately. Liam Neeson and his three sisters photographed outside of their home, Ballymena, Northern Ireland, 1960. A teen who had a diet of French fries, Pringles, white bread, and an occasional slice of ham or sausage was found to have severe vitamin deficiencies and malnutrition. As a result, he developed blind spots in the center of his vision. It is stated that his sight loss is permanent. Signs of strong personal boundaries. You prioritize your well being without guilt. You no longer tolerate disrespect. Toxic individuals slowly distance themselves. You attract genuine people in your life. You create space only for those who uplift. Others know not to cross your boundaries. You feel more at peace and less drained. You let actions speak louder than all words. You stop explaining yourself to others. You speak your truth clearly and without fear. Thanks for watching.